Jai Hind students, I am Shashi Kumar Se. Today I am going to start rational number part 3rd of class 8. Look at here. First question is divide. Minus 8 divided minus 7 upon 16. Look at here. Firstly you will write minus 8. Here divide. Clear? Divide convert into multiply. And minus 7 upon 16 here. That's why you will write the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Clear? Reciprocal means just like 16 upon minus 7. Clear? You will write 16 upon minus 7. Clear, student? Minus minus cancel and multiply. 16 8 is 128. 128 upon 7. This is your answer. Clear, student? And next question. 1 upon minus 10 divided minus 8 by 8 upon 5. Look at here. 1 upon minus 10 divide, convert into multiply and write the reciprocal of this rational number. 5 upon minus 8. 5 to the 10. Clear? 1 upon 8 to the 16 and minus minus plus. Clear, student? And second question is a verify. Minus 8 upon 9 divided minus 4 upon 3 is equal to minus 4 upon 3 divided minus 8 upon 9. Look at here. This question divided into two portions. This portion is known as the LHS and this portion is known as the RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. First of all thing you will solve the left hand, after that right hand. When your left hand is right hand equal to, that means your answer is correct. Clear? You will write true. If left hand not equal to right hand, that means you will write this question is false. Look at here. LHS. Minus 8 upon 9. Divide, convert into multiply and write the reciprocal. 3 upon minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 3 3 ja 9. 4 2 ja 8. Clear? That means 2 upon 3. Clear, student? And RHS is equal to minus 4 upon 3 multiply and 9 upon minus 8, because you will write here reciprocal. Minus minus cancel. 4 2 ja 8 and 3 3 the 9. Clear, student? Okay. 3 by 2. LHS not equal to RHS. You will write here LHS not equal to RHS. Clear, student? Now I am going to start next questions. Student, see this question. Question number 3rd. The product of two number is minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, find the other number. Clear? Look at here. Let the other number be x. Clear? Product of two number is minus 9. First number is minus 12. Clear? You will write here first number minus 12 and second number x. And product of two number minus 9. That's why you will write here minus 9. Clear? Minus minus cancel. 12 x is equal to 9. Here multiply convert into divide. X is equal to 9 upon 12. 3 3 9, 3 4 जा 12 and x is equal to 3 upon 4 mean other number is 3 upon 4. Clear? And see question number 4. By what number should minus 33 upon 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 2? You will also write here what number should be. Let required number be x. Clear student? Required number be x and you will write here minus 33 by 8 divided. Clear students? You will write the symbol here divide. X is equal to minus 11 by 2 and minus 33 by 8 divide, convert into multiply and write the reciprocal of x is equal to 1 by x is equal to minus 11 by 2. Minus minus cancel, 11 3 ja 33, 2 4 ja 8. Clear? And multiply 3 upon x into 1 by x is equal to 1. Clear? And cross multiply, x multiplied by 1 we get x. X is equal to 3 upon 4. Clear student? Mean required number 3 upon 4. Clear student? Now I am going to start next questions. Student, see question number 5. Divide the sum of 13 upon 5 and minus 12 by 7 by the product of minus 31 by 7 and 1 upon minus 2. Look at here. First of all, you will find the sum of this rational number and write here 13 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 7. Clear student? And 13 upon 5 and convert it to plus minus 12 upon 7. 13 upon 5 plus minus 12 upon 7 and take the LCM 35 and 5 divided by 35 we get 7 and 7 multiplied by 13 we get 91 minus and 7 divided by 5 and 5 multiplied 7 divided by 35 we get 5 and 5 multiplied by 12 we get 16. Clear? And 91 subtracted from 60 we get 31 upon 35. This is equation first. And write product of minus 31 upon 7 and 1 upon minus 2. Clear student? That's why you will write here minus 31 upon 7 multiply 1 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel and 31 multiplied by 1 that means 31. 7 multiplied by 2 we get 40. This is equation second. After the divide 31 upon 35 divided 31 upon 40. 31 upon 35 divide, convert into multiply and add the reciprocal 14 upon 31. Clear? 31 to 31 cancel and 7 to the 14, 7 5 the 35 and you will write the answer 2 upon 5. Clear student? Your answer is 2 upon 5. Now I am going to start exercise 1F. Student, see this question, exercise 1F. First question, find the rational number between 1/4 and 1/3. How can you find? Look at here. With the help of this formula, we can find the rational number between 1/4 and 1/3. Look at 1/2 in bracket x plus y. Clear? This is formula. Find a rational number between any rational number. Clear? X is equal to 1/4 and y is equal to 1/3. And you will write here rational number between 1/4 and 1/3. Clear? Firstly, write the formula 1/2 in bracket x is equal to 1/4 and plus and y is equal to 1/3. Clear? 1/2 and take the LCM 4 and 3 is equal to 12 and 12 divided by 4 we get 3, 3 multiplied by 1 we get 3 and 3 divided by 12 we get 4 and 4 multiplied by 1 we get 4. Clear, student? 1/2 multiply 3 plus 4 7 upon 12 and 7 1 is 7 upon 4 2 is 12. This is your answer. Rational number between 1/4 and 1/3 is 7 upon 24. See question number second. Find two rational number. Okay, here two rational number. That's why you will write here rational number between -3 and -2. Firstly, write the formula 1/2 and x is equal to -3 and y is equal to -2. That's why you will write here -2. Clear? -2 -3 -5 upon -2. Clear? This is first rational number. And after that you will find the second rational number and you will write rational number between -5 by, you will write here -5/2 and second number is -2. Clear, student? Firstly, you will find the -3 and with the help of -3 and -2. After that, -5 and -2, like that. This process. 1/2. Here x is equal to -5/2 and y is equal to -2. 1/2. Take the LCM 2 and here -5 and 2 divided by 1 we get 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4 and you will write here 4. -4 -5 is equal to -9 and 2 2 is 4. Clear, student? This is your answer. First and this is second answer. Clear? Thank you, student.